Hi, Chris Roberts here from Safe Violence Prevention and Self-Defense. Today we're going to take another dive into a common scenario that many people have encountered. I'll offer some tips and analysis, and stay tuned to the end and you'll be able to find out where we have some of our resources available to you. All right, let's see what's on tap today. Keep safe.
Yeah, I was just wondering if someone's home. My car broke down and I gotta use the bathroom. I was just wondering if you're gonna let me use your bathroom quick. That's it. I gotta go bad.
Bill's got a bladder problem apparently, or does he? Because this is another very effective strategy to gain access to somebody's home, whether they're targeting the home or the person in the home. And where somebody comes to the door, maybe their car is broken down like Bill mentioned, he's got to go to the bathroom really bad. It could be anything. Sometimes people say they've got a sick child, which is another level of manipulation in an attempt to get into your home. I always suggest, don't let the person in the house. If they need help, you can assist them by saying, look, I'll call the car club for you or go to the washroom outside somewhere, but don't let them in. Okay, there is a temptation to be very polite with the person in, but especially if you feel at risk and you're suspicious of them, I would not suggest letting them in. Okay, that is my recommendation. Keep an eye on them when they do leave the house. And get that bladder problem fixed, Bill. Keep safe.